Hey everyone, today we're going to put a battery in my wife's Honda Helix, and I'm going to go over it with you and show you some tips that I do to help you accomplish the mission. So here we have it. We've got the seat off. I'm sure by now all you know how to get the seat off, so I'm gonna try to prop you up here so you can see what I'm doing. This ain't working real well. So there we go. Okay, so there's the, dang it, not doing so well here, people. Bear with me, people. Alright, there you go. There's where the battery is. You'll take this rubber off. There's a little hook over here. Bring that over this way. When you take the positive off, make sure you don't touch anything metal while you're doing that, because you don't want to arc and spark and blow fuses and all kinds of stuff. So we're going to take the positive off first. Yes, I got my handy dandy tool that I got from Walmart. That thing's been pretty good for scooter working on. Okay, so that's off. That's away from any danger. Oop, different size. So let's see what size we got here. Okay. Okay, get that side off. Pick your battery out. That's what we got. We got a EverStart ESTX12, and that's exactly what I got to put back in it. So that's and I went off measurements. I measured it, did all the measuring, and then went to Walmart and didn't know that that's what the number was, but luckily I got the same number. So excuse me. All right, now get you out of here. I'm going to show you a few tricks before you install the battery. One is in there. You can see there's some cardboard. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I also painted over here. I put some paint so I know for sure that this is positive. I'm not going to get confused. You don't want to hook it up wrong, because you have some bad stuff going on. All right, I got just a plain old piece of cardboard. I'm going to tear a little strip off. Okay. Pretty much almost fits in there, so we're gonna fold it. Gonna insert it in there. I'm gonna put it in like that, and then we're gonna take another little Another little piece here. Fold that. Gonna put that on the top. Just a random bolt that fits in the hole. Mashes it down. Okay. This is what goes in the battery. It came with the battery and a bag on the side. Okay. So this has to go in here and push down a little bit on the cardboard. Okay, so now you can see that the nut is up off the bottom. So I'm not going to struggle when I go to put this on there. It's going to be right at the top. And then I can, once I get my wire put on there, then I can either pick that out or just power through it. So I've got both terminals done. As you can see, we're good to go. I got plenty of space to put the deal on there. So we'll go over to the bike and we'll install it. Okay, so that's where we're going. All right, we slid it down in there. Okay. We're gonna take this nut, this bolt out. Okay. Okay, we got the bolt started. Okay, I'm gonna pull this one. Since it's tilted that way, I got my finger over here on this side to make sure it doesn't fall out. Okay. Set your ground wire over there. Okay. Now we're the same size, so I can just use the 10. Good and tight. So now, this battery is good to go. I don't have to charge it. Some batteries you'll, excuse me, you can buy. You'll have to put acid in it, charge it for a day, and then go from there. This is a plug and play battery. Just hook your hook back in there. Boom, battery's installed. Let me get the key. We'll see if she runs or not. Sometimes I hate this kickstand cancel deal. Oh yeah. Okay, everybody, excuse me once again. So that is how you replace your battery in your Helix. I've got another video coming up of, I'm going to add a box to my rod. So that'll be my next video, is installing that. But for now, subscribe and like. That's what I need. I need subscribers for sure. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you. And keep riding. I'll see you soon.